a Western theme. Our show is titled The Spirit of the West, and the band in December is going to be traveling out to the Fiesta Bowl, marching the Fiesta Bowl parade. And so we're very excited to do that and share our show with you this afternoon. Our show, first part, has several components weaved together. It's a little bit eclectic, but it opens with some of the film score from John Williams' Overture to the Cowboys. And then, completely changing gears, we go into some John Bon Jovi, Wanted Dead or Alive. And then we switch back to the classical realm, and we perform a little bit of Aaron Copland's Buckaroo Holiday. So we hope you enjoy the opener for our show, Spirit of the West.
All right, well, I'll go with the old-fashioned one. Thank you very much. We featured a couple of soloists on that tune, Jonah Larson on baritone and Jack Stewart on trumpet. Big round of applause for our soloists. Next for you, we're going to slow things down a little bit and conclude our contest show portion. We obviously have a little bit more to